southern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, LaSalle County in north central Illinois, Boone County in northeastern Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois until 12:30 a.m. At 11:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of Newark to near Nat Lake, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gust. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Joliet, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Plainfield, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Park Forest, Ottawa, Mokina, Frankfort, Morris, Chaminade, Minooka, Peru, LaSalle, Seeger, Mendota, Braidwood, Wilmington, Coal City, Marseilles, Dwight, Peotown, and Sherry. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.